Yeah.
That's my shit, that's my way. Do it like that and I repeat.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you a very simple makeup look that anyone and everyone can do, and this look is basically a going out look. So it's going to be very simple, and I'm going to show you don't need much to actually look perfect, okay? So I am going to get started, and in this video I'm not going to be talking much because my previous video on makeup was like 20 minutes long and I do not want that this time. So let's get started. Okay, I'm going to be starting with my brows now, so let me get started. And please don't mind me, I'm looking at myself in the mirror here, so because the phone mirror is like not so clear, so just fine. And I'm done. So I'm just going to be using my concealer for underneath my eyes. So usually I do a light color underneath and then a dark color on top, but today I'm just going to do white on top and at the bottom, okay? I'm done. So with this eyeshadow that I'm going to be using, it's an old palette of mine, but I really like it because the colors that I wanted to use today, it has some sparkle, okay? So I'm just going to be using two types of brown, a dark brown, which is this one, and then the sparkly brown, and then this, it's a mixture of gold and white, but I'm going to show you how I use it. So I basically just start with the dark brown, and I use it here and I rub it all there. Okay. Then I go in with the brown, the light brown, and with this brown here, I basically put it here, but then I end up blending it all together. Yes, like that. So after I'm done with that there, I take a smaller brush, and then from here I basically just take my shine and then this is where I apply it, here. But from there you go upwards so that all the colors blend nicely. And when you're done, I'll show you how it comes out. And from there you go right back with this other brush and then you just blend it in like this. So it looks like I added more this side than this side. So all you do is you just go back until you feel it's equal, then it's good enough. There we go. So from here, I'm just going to be applying my liquid liner to my eyes. So I don't want to take up too much time, so I'm just going to quickly do it behind scene. So hold up. And I'm back. So I don't know if you guys can see, but these colors really blend nice together. So from here I'm just going to be applying my mascara so that I can apply my lashes. So I'm just going to show you how I apply. So let me be quick. I know lashes look very hard to apply, and a lot of people that I know always say lashes are very hard to apply, but it's easy. You just add your glue, and when you're done, you try, measure which side goes which, and then you just press your eyelash down with the lash. See? All done. Let me do the other side. All done. So I'm just going to be applying my Prime Perfect so that the foundation or any other product doesn't damage my face or anything. And I'm going to be using my Avon foundation today. So this here isn't really a heavy foundation, but I like it because I don't like thick foundation. My foundation isn't exactly my skin tone because I'm like really double toned. So what I usually do is I add that foundation first and then I come over with my concealer. Then I come in with a darker color. Then when I'm done, I go right back to my makeup and then I go over with the sparkle brown, not the very dark but the sparkle, and then I go underneath the eye. Okay, not many people do that, but I like doing it because I feel it brings out my eyes more. So I'm gonna also go and apply my blush some one time. So I like using this pink blush. And just add a little bit to your cheeks, you know, just for complexion and some rosy cheeks. So I usually just go down, up here, and then just rub it in. So from there, I'm just going to jump straight to my lips. And I am using a very dark brown lip pencil. So I'm just going to start from the corner of my lips. And I also wanted to add, for people that like double lining, you should always, well, it's just a tip, you don't have to, but you should always start exactly where your lip starts here, and then you can go down from there. So you don't look too fake or anything. Then I usually just blend it in with my lips. And from there, I am just using this nude color lipstick. It's a matte, but today I'm going to use the gloss and see how it looks. That's the matte color. So I'll just leave it to dry for a couple of seconds and then I'm going to add the gloss. Yeah, let's try. Ooh, 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 it looks nice. Okay, I actually like the gloss. I like it a lot. So I don't have glow. I'm actually out. So the color that I had added here, this sparkly one, I'm just going to use it as a glow because it's basically good as well. You can use it as glow because it's really nice. So I'm not going to add too much. Yeah, it's enough. I don't put on my nose. Looking good. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you'll try this makeup video out because as you can see, I'm glowing. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like, share, subscribe and comment anything you would like. Thanks again, guys. Bye.